Hi guys and welcome back. So you've just seen parked outside this lovely R8. It's came to us because it has one wheel that is scuffed, that needs repair work doing to it, but also under the boot, which is actually where a V8 sits, we've got these side panels. Now both of them have gone really rusty. The owner just wants to tidy them up, so we're going to do the stripping down process of the plastics, of getting it all out. I'm not sure how they're connected. The mesh itself is connected to the plastic, so once we get in there, we'll have a little look. It might be like plastic welded in there through the slots. This one itself looks a little bit loose, so once we get in there and have a look, I'll time lapse the stripping down process. Let's get on with it. So that's both the plastics and the mesh both removed from either side. Quick time lapse there just to show one of the bolts you see that I couldn't quite get to. Use your initiative, used a washer, just spun the cap out. They're just the lock-in rotation pin, so I've got one here, I'll show you. They're very simple. They just push in, and as you rotate it round, it then pulls it tighter and locks it in place. The ones at the top by the edge of the ram, they're quite hard to get in and out, so with a screwdriver, yeah, choose the washer. So let's just have a quick look and see how this mesh is attached to the plastic, and it is as I expected. It's basically tabbed through, so the plastic would have tabs on it and they melt the tab down. That's not a problem, so we'll just knock the top of these high spots off, and then we can easily glue them back on once they're back in place. But you must admit, they definitely need a refurb. This is the one that I said about earlier in the video that it looked like it was loose. Good example there, you can see where it used to have a tab line on it. It pushes through and they just melt the end of the plastic just enough to feed the hole. So we'll just put it back on and we'll adhesive that back to it. Won't be a problem at all. So let's get these stripped off. Bit of air tools, I think. So you can see there, basically we've nibbled around the plastic, and you can see the slots that are in it where the plastic pushes through. There's still remnants of plastic on there we've got to get off, but they're now ready to be stripped back. We're just going to pick a colour from our colour chart just to check that we've got the colour that's pretty much similar to under where the plastic was. It's quite hard to see in this light, but you'll see that we'll pick the colour that's closest to that. This is probably the best bit here. Pick the colour, and then we'll get these stripped down, get them powdered, and get them put back on. As you can see there, we've stripped the wheel off. I haven't done anything of me stripping the wheel off. There is a 3-part episode on our channel about the alley wheel refurbishment, so head over and see exactly what we do with that. But like I say, this one wheel was having its work done to it, and we're getting on with the engine covers at the back. In the office with all the powders, looking across the silvers, this gloss grey rail 7047 looks the closest match to our grille. Again, like I said, I've used the outer edge. You can actually see the colour on. I know it's full of holes, so it will look a bit of a different silver. This is what we're going with. So because this mesh is so delicate, we have used our hand sandblaster just to tickle away. You can see how dirty this one was and how now immaculate this has now come out. You can now see just how good these two look. Completely blasted off. Let's get some powder on them. So here we have it, finally finished, both of them powder coated. Let's do a time lapse and get them refitted. That's them all bonded in place. We'll leave them clamped down for a couple of hours just to get them, make sure they set. Already looking really nice. We're just going to clean the plastics up once they've settled. Do a time lapse, get them refitted. We're going to have to give the rest of the engine bay a bit of a tidy up, just so it looks just as clean. So there we have it, the completion of the Audi R8. I must say, what a difference that has made. Literally removing the plastics, powder coating the grills and refitting them, giving them a quick clean. The engine bay is pretty tidy anyway, but if it's to be detailed, it would really make that pop. So hopefully you've liked this video. Please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Keep it real.